Hello everyone, welcome back to Fashion Trend Seeker. So today's video is going to feature some hot fall hair color ideas. Now I will be doing a full video breakdown on all of the hottest fall hair color ideas that we're going to be seeing this season. So be on the lookout for that. But this is an absolutely gorgeous color variation that she got. It really warmed up her complexion. Beautiful brunette hue. I love the cascading waves as well. Absolutely gorgeous. So then we move into the next one. She starts off with chocolate hair. The stylist has cut the hair into a bob. Gorgeous. I love the fact that she kept her natural hair color. This is an absolutely gorgeous lob haircut. So moving on to the next hair transformation. It looks like this one will feature a classic pixie cut. Oh wow, that was absolutely gorgeous. I love the burgundy tone that she had with that, and the overall shape of that pixie was stunning. So then we move into the next transformation. Looks like she's going to be getting some hair extensions. Gorgeous, beautiful blonde. The extensions really just thickened up her hair and gave her lots of volume. So moving right along to the next one. So let's see if we can predict which hair color she is going to go with. So obviously some type of blonde. He did do a color swatch or color test. So with the technique that the stylist is using, he's definitely creating a nice dimensional tone. We know that it is going to be some type of blonde. Oh, wow, her hair looks so shiny and healthy as well. The color variation also looks very well blended and natural, and it looks like he is also adding in some hair extensions. Wow, absolutely breathtaking. Hopefully the stylist will add some curls with this as well. She honestly looks like a whole another person. Incredible. So he did add some slight waves for some texture. So moving on to the next one. Ooh, so she is getting a massive haircut change. Looks like they got an undercut. Very nice. I was not expecting that. I was thinking they were probably going to get some color, but this undercut is very nice. So it looks like this last transformation is going to be of a pixie cut. Oh, gorgeous. It's extremely blunt. Alright you guys, so thank you so much for checking out another video. If you liked this one, please be sure to give it a thumbs up, subscribe, and I will see you next time.